Hello and welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to tell you how you can speed up your laptop or PC because I myself was struggling with the same issue. So without any delay, let's just jump to the topic. The first thing you need to do is to look your system's startup time. You can just disable the unwanted startup items so that they don't interrupt your system boot time. So disable startup of unnecessary apps. Just press Alt, Control and Delete. Just click on the task manager. Once the task manager is open, under this startup tab, you have to look for the items which you don't want to get started while your system is booting up. So here you can see Microsoft Edge is currently enabled in my system, so it will open up whenever I will start my system. And then I have this, you can see that it's Skype, this is also enabled. So what you can do, you can just right click on this and then disable it. This will be disabled. Now this will not be starting up while you are booting or starting up your system. Now just close the unwanted tabs in the browser and close the unwanted instances of the same application like browser from task manager. So to do this, what you can do, just hit alt control and delete again, go to the task manager and then go to the processes. Now under processes you can see I have this Google Chrome opened and there are multiple instances open for this Google Chrome. So what you can do, you can just select one of the instances and end the task. Now I'm not ending the task because I have other browser tabs open and I'm working on those. But what you can do, if you are working on only one of the Chrome browser or tab, you can just select four of these and then end the task, and only one instance of that Chrome browser will be open. Now you can do the same for other items also. You can look for the items or programs which are not needed and you can just select that and hit the end task. Now while ending the task, make sure you don't end any task which is required for system to run smoothly because it may create problems for you. Alright, now let's look at the third option, which is disabling OneDrive. So what is OneDrive? OneDrive is the Microsoft cloud platform which enables you to save and sync files in cloud. This again can eat your laptop or PC speed. If you use this drive often, then it's fine. Generally, in normal day-to-day needs or personal uses, we do not use cloud storage. So you can disable or unlink your cloud account by going to your system tray, and you can see here this is the drive icon. Just right click on this, you'll see this window. Just go to the settings icon, go to settings, just go to account and unlink this PC. This will just unlink your PC from the cloud storage, and you cannot this the files will not be copied to the cloud. This will improve your PC's performance and you can surely make your PC faster using this tip. Now, so the next step is cleaning up the unnecessary files and temporary files, which will also boost your system performance. To do this, search for storage settings. Just click on it, go to storage setting and turn this radio button on. Now you can read it here. Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. Okay, so this will also boost up some of your laptop or PC's speed. So the next step is disabling the auto update of the Windows. You can always go and update the Windows manually when you want, but disabling auto update will save your laptop speed and internet data. To do this, press Windows plus R key and type this services.msc. Hit OK and this will open a window. Here you need to scroll to the bottom and look for the Windows update. So where it is, here it is. Just select this, right click, go to properties, then here under startup type, select this drop down and select this manual or disable it. So for now I have selected this as manual, and I can always go to Windows Update and manually update my Windows. You can also disable it. It is important to know that Windows Update is required for security. So it is recommended that you update your Windows manually at least once in a month. Alright, so once it is selected, click apply, click OK, and then close. Here is another tip which you can follow to speed up your system. Scan for malware and viruses using any antivirus software to search for viruses and malwares on your system. This will definitely speed up your speed if your system is struggling with viruses and malwares. There are many free antiviruses which you can download and use. I'll give the download links for some of the antiviruses in the description. You can go ahead and download and scan your PCs for free. Okay, next is disk cleanup. So to do this, search for disk cleanup in search bar. Go to your search bar, type disk cleanup, select disk cleanup, select the drive which you want to clean up. Like for example, I'm selecting C drive, click OK. Now it will take some time to calculate and scan. Just wait for some time. Now here in this window, you can just select the folder or drives which you want to clean up and then click OK. Like for example, I'm selecting temporary files and recycle bin here. Now temporary internet files. Alright, so all these folders will be cleaned up and it will give me some space and it will also ensure some speed. Okay, now are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Okay, delete files. Alright, cleaning up drive OSC. Okay, it's done. Okay, next is delete unwanted softwares from the system which you don't actually use. You may have installed softwares which you no longer use, but they are still lying on your laptop or computer, taking space and speed. To do this, go to control panel, under programs, click on programs and select any unwanted softwares which you don't actually use and just uninstall them. Like to uninstall, you can just select the item here and you can just hit uninstall. It will ask you if you really want to uninstall this software. You can hit yes, and this particular software will be uninstalled from your system, and it will give you some space also as well as speed. Let's just jump to the next step. I'm sure you have already hit the like button and subscribed my channel, but if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe my channel so that I have your support and encouragement to make more useful videos. Our next step is free up the C drive if it is almost full by uninstalling unnecessary software and files. If C drive is full or almost full, it also causes system to hang and make it slow. This will be automatically done if you have followed the previous step, which I have told you that you could go to control panel and uninstall the softwares. In the earlier step, if you have already done that, you don't need to do anything, just move to the next step. Okay, so far you have seen different options which will definitely make your system work faster, but if nothing of the earlier tips work for you, then you can try this last option, which is resetting the system. This will definitely give your system a boost in speed, but before doing this, make sure you have backed up all your files and data. Now to reset, select settings, search for settings, go to settings, go to update and security, select recovery from the left and click on get started. Reset this PC, get started. Now it will give you an option to choose from these two options: keep my files and remove everything. If you want to keep your files, like remove apps and settings only but keep your personal files, then you can choose this option. Otherwise, if you want to remove everything, you can choose this option. So that's all, guys. I'm sure if you'll follow these steps properly, you'll find that your laptop or PC is running faster than ever before. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.